It's a complicated process. You need to run a CKB dev chain. You need to mine some blocks, fund addresses, and write config files, boot nodes, and exchange addresses. You also need to open the channels over JSON RPC. So, how about we have something that will help eliminate all these processes, and we can just do like a single thing and get things running. On Lightning Network, we have Polar, but on Fiber, we have nothing like this. And that's why I'm building Fiber Forge for this. So, to use Fiber Forge, you need Docker, and yeah, you need to keep Docker running. As you can see, my Docker is already running up here. So, and you need to install the FiberForge CLI. I have the FiberForge CLI installed already. So what I will be doing, let me just show the command to install it. You just need to do npm g. And once you have this, you can use the FiberForge command. So yeah, I'll be clearing this. So you just need to run FiberForge. Let's run FiberForge up. Running this up command will allow us to spawn or do the configuration right inside the browser. Yeah, and we have this, no network has been forged yet, so we need to forge a network. And there are multiple things we can do. There are multiple topologies. We have trio, that's the default. We can use dual channel, and we can use an up, we can use a line, we can use ring, and we can use star. When we use star, the maximum node count that we can have, no matter whether it is star or any other topology we use, the maximum node count you can have is 10 for now. So let's use trio for this demo, and we can fund with CKB. We can also choose this is the initial liquidity funding per node. We choose 10k, and we can also choose to add an initial UDT liquidity per node. So let's use 10k for that as well, and then we'll just forge here. Now this will take a few seconds, and basically what was done is the nodes have name. This is Feynman, this is Euler, and this is Kepler. And the way it works is just random names of scientists and philosophers and all that. And after that, it tries to open channel. So right now it's trying to open the channel from Euler to Kepler. So let's wait a bit. Now everything is done, and we can click these lines for the channel. You can see that this is a UDT channel. Then the second one here should be a CKB channel. So a couple things we can do. You can try to close this channel. Let's try to close this CKB channel from Feynman to Euler. Yeah, and the channel is closed. So, and yeah, you can try to open the channel again from Feynman to Euler. Yeah, let's wait a bit now, and the channel is ready. You can see this is a CKB channel. So another thing we can do is we can try to send payment across channels. So this is sent from Feynman to Euler. We can try CKB or UDT. Let's send to 300 CKB from Feynman to Euler, and the payment is a success. And some other things we can do, you can click on each node to see some information. This is the overview. These are the pairs, Euler, and this is the channel. You can choose to close any channel we want, and this is the log if we want more detail, want to dive into some things. So we can choose to fund this node. Let's fund it with like 1k more, and we can generate invoice, and someone can pay this invoice. Let's copy it, and you can choose to open a channel. Let's say we want to open a channel from Feynman to Euler because there's no channel there. Let's open a CKB channel, and this is the line. It says it's opening. So let's wait a bit. Yeah, and the channel is already opened. So you can try to send payment from Feynman to Euler. Note that if we use UDT here, from Feynman, yeah, this can take 2 hops from Feynman to Euler and then to Kepler. So let's try this to pay from Feynman to Kepler directly, since there's a channel between the two. Yeah, and we have 300 CKB, and all of this we can run it using commands as well. We can run it using commands. Another thing we can interact with is we can use pay. This basically was some of the things that we've been doing earlier, and yeah, 300 UDT has been received. We can now do spawn. So let's say we want a new topology, we can do spawn, and in this case I want to spawn a star, or let me spawn a ring. Yes, don't let us find the UDT channel. So now it's trying to open. The nodes are ready. Now it will try to open the channels, and it has to open 6 channels here. Let's wait a bit. Okay, first and second channel is done, and means the third channel. Yes, yeah, and the channel is done. You can focus on each on any channel we want here. Yeah, and we can look at the pairs for this Turing and Tesla. Yeah, and yeah, you can try to do spawn there. If we cancel this, then we can see all the all the network that we have running. We can resume any of them and continue. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this demo video. So this is just the start, and in the future we are planning on integrating more features into this, so this will be more usable and will be valuable to the whole community. Thank you.